Coming up in a Primetime Sports Wednesday, another positive move. Steps taken to bolster Jamaica's anti-doping fight. It could be a cold and stinging night in the Contender Series tonight. It's quarterfinal action, Wasp versus Sub-Zero. And it could be game over for former CONCACAF boss. He faces a life ban from football. Good evening. I am Jermaine Brown, and the details of these and more when we return.